with the latest news story. This is Channel 5 News with Jonah Parker and DJ Horsty. Alright, now today we will be going over the topic of melanoma, which is a very scary type of skin cancer coming around new today. And everyone wants a good tan, right, Gito?
Yeah.
Right? So most people go about it in the same way, tanning beds or tanning outside. But have you ever considered the consequences from getting too much of a tan or being outside in the sun too much? It can cause you to get melanoma. Now, melanoma is an extremely deadly type of skin cancer, although other skin cancers are just as bad, such as basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and other unusual types of skin cancer include Merkel cell tumors and dermatofibrosarcoma portabans. Cancer is a mutation of the amino acids in either DNA or mRNA sequence in cells. This mutation can either delete, add, or subtract amino acids from the chain, resulting in a different protein. Proteins require a specific amino acid sequence in order to be made, which is why changing the amino acids can change the protein, and the other cells won't do the proper job. Mutations can occur from a large amount of UV rays, whether that be sunlight or a tanning bed. Different people are affected differently. People with fair skin burn more easily, and people with more freckles or moles have an increased risk of developing skin cancer. If you notice any change in an existing mole or any new ones show up, get them checked.
The process of checking is the ABCDEs of melanoma. If you notice any of these signs, see your doctor quickly, as it could be skin cancer. A. Asymmetry. If you draw a line through your mole and the two halves don't match, you could have melanoma.
Killer.
B. The border. The borders of early stages of melanoma tend to be uneven, kind of like a mountain range.
Movie.
C. The color. Having a variety of colors is another warning signal, kind of like a rainbow, but with darker colors.
Movie.
D. Diameter. Melanoma is usually larger in diameter than the size of the eraser on your pencil.
Damn.
E. Evolving, like a freaking Pokemon.
Interesting.
If any changes occur in your mole that are noticeable, you may have melanoma.
Melanoma is the most common form of skin cancer in young adults 25 to 29 years old, and the second most common form of cancer for young people 15 to 29 years old. This deadly disease is preventable. All it takes is sunscreen. If you burn easily, put on sunscreen. Whenever you go outside, even if you don't burn quite easily, you should apply sunscreen when you go outside for long periods of time. This was Jonah Parker and DJ Horsty reporting you live from CSA. Thank you, and base God, good night.
Yeah, we're done.
Cut it.